Let's see how to track changes in Microsoft Word. First, we want to open Microsoft Word. Then, we want to go over to the Review tab and click on Track Changes. Once we click Track Changes, you'll notice that the mode of Microsoft Word changed here from editing to reviewing. Now, reviewing means that you can suggest changes to the document itself without directly applying. So for example, we want to remove this line. So I'm going to highlight it and I'm going to click backspace on my keyboard. That will highlight it in red and put a strike through. Now, let's say I want to add a new paragraph. So that's going to be highlighted in red and will be underlined as well. Now, what happens if we try to accept or reject these changes? Now, let's say I want to accept this particular change of deleting this line. Here, I can click accept or reject. So for this one, I'm going to accept the suggestion and it gets deleted. And for this one, I'm going to reject the suggestion of adding this line and it gets deleted as well. And as you can see, it's still in reviewing mode. So when we put it back to editing mode, you can just keep on typing as usual. And that is how you track changes in Microsoft Word. See you soon!